There's the finished product of early 50s Clinton Machine Company 4-cycle engine. It's not too crazy. Just a quick respray. Okay, put you on hold. See, even that's mint. I don't know how else to do these videos. I'm by myself, so you can see that I have every flat surface is consumed with basically reconditioned, restored, or brand new parts for several different projects. This is a Plymouth. This is the Clinton. The 49 Ford. I got an air conditioning. The Miata. I got so many things that I'm trying to finish up. So things like this right here. Well, it's definitely better than factory. But all the parts are immaculate shape. So I'm gonna reassemble this. This is a by the way, this is a Mercedes metallic green. It's definitely better than factory. This paint's very expensive, so that's something that I had on hand because it's actually the only color that I had that closely matched the green paint that was on this here aluminum housing. And well, you can tell, so there's some green paint on the head gasket, and if you look real close, that is pretty dang nice, considering this has got a little bit of metallic in it. But it's definitely better than factory. Just a quick redo. So I'm going to show you the apparatus of what I took it off of. That's right there. End of story. So I'll put a video on the next, once this is all assembled and fired up and running. And then we're going to try to attach it to the trailer for a infamous cinch winch, so I can pull on projects. Because, you know, this is the story with the electric winches. They're junk. Gas-powered cinch winch, and we'll give you a rundown on that. So thanks a lot.